Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In this video, let us continue the budget series smartphone segment, and in today's video, we will see a budget series phone from Motorola. It is E6s. So friends, without delay, let us get into the unboxing. This is the retail box of the phone. Let us open the seal in the box and let me show you what is there inside the box. As soon as you open the box, you will find phone itself. Below the phone you have some paperwork, USB charger cable, power adapter, SIM tray, removable battery. Let us keep all the things aside and move to the phone. This phone comes with pre-installed silicone case on the phone. So let us remove the silicone case and see the phone. Now let us remove the sticker on top of the screen. This is a red version of the phone, so Moto calls it as Rich Canberry. Friends, this phone is like old smartphones where you can remove the back panel and its battery, and the SIM tray memory card slot is also present there as old phone. As I told you, this phone is available in 3 colors. That is nothing but these are the panels. These 3 panels are available online and you can buy it and use it according to your needs. Let us do the first boot of the phone. Friends, this phone runs on stock Android Pie, so there is no lag in the phone. It runs very smoothly. Let us see the overview of the phone. Front of the phone, we have a water drop notch with a camera. This phone is also having fingerprint scanner and a facial unlocking system. Right side of the phone, we have a volume rocker and power switch. Left side, there is nothing. Below the phone, you have a noise cancellation microphone, USB charger and a speaker. Top of the phone, you have a 3.5mm audio jack. Inside, we have 2 memory card slots and a SD card slot. Back of the phone, we have 2 cameras, LED flash, noise cancellation mic with a fingerprint scanner. This phone's camera will be tested out in a different video, so stay tuned for it. Friends, I will give you a dedicated video on the camera in the next upcoming videos, and I will also show you how to install Gcam on this phone. Friends, hope you have seen the unboxing of the budget segment smartphone. This is the best budget segment smartphone ever. So friends, if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel Uday's Review, and also please follow us on the social media platforms. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.